Next one here's in Texas, sold again for 120,000. Got a bunch that sold right there at that 120,000. You can see it's in the Dallas area. It's this home right here, valued at around 270,000.
Those are good numbers again too, and also in a pretty competitive market. I mean, Texas is. This was through an online auction, in Dallas County, which has sales every single month, and so I would say that it's as competitive as any market, in Texas. So to get the properties there at 120 versus, the value that it's at, they didn't quite. Well, let's see, what did they pay? About 40%, maybe not quite a third of value here on it, but more like 40% or so. And that's a pretty good number, at least for this area here, to pay 120,000 for the property here like this. And it has potential here to probably even bring in more.
Yeah, well, I think every one of these you could use as a rental, but these could be used as flip deals as well. I mean, let's say they pick this up for 120,000. There's worth $150,000 worth of equity if they sold it for 270,000. Let's say they put $50,000 into rehabbing it. That's still making $100,000 on the deal. I mean, if you were to go through and look at each one of these, 190,000. Let's say they put in $90,000 and they only sell it for 310. There's still $100,000 in this deal. This is probably the smallest one, but even here you could probably get nearly $100,000 for each one of these deals. This one here, you've got the chance to make, $500,000. So we're looking at kind of the rental side of it now. But, each one of these could be great flips as well that could be easily done as a flip. Next.